Good morning, students. This is K. Venkataya, mathematics teacher, Jilla Parishad High School, Shivarampalli. Children, already we are doing our work. So you are directly or indirectly observing the lessons which we are uploading to in rrbuddy.com and myself KV channel you have already, Kamshetty Venkataya. Children, in the previous classes we are discussing about the 9th class mathematics textbook statistics. Already you are writing and observing the things which are uploaded previously in the last classes. 9th class itself, now we are going to discussing about the median. In the previous class you already learned about the things, that is arithmetic mean and general method, that is direct method. Median is equal, that is x bar is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Already you learned the things. Whatever you have, you should observe properly and also write the notes and ask your doubts and comment on the given questions. And also we are uploading the worksheets, so you can observe properly and write down all the answers and ask your doubts with your teachers by online or by posting your doubts in the WhatsApp group also. Children, today we are going to learn about this topic, that is median. So in 9th class already central tendencies are introduced. That is, one is arithmetic, that is mean, median and mode. And this topic is enlightened and enlarged in your next further 10th class also. So that is why it is very important topic for score wise. So you can concentrate on the topic and verify your textbook itself. So now median. What is a median means? Generally we know that one, middle. Middle means, you know that whatever the things you are going to write or numbers or things, or if you are going to stand in a line in the prayer. So who is the middle one means, directly you can say that. So if a number of people are 10, how can you decide? If the number of people are 9, you can decide that side 4, this side 4, and the middle one is 1. But if you have number of people 10, so how many people are going to stand properly here? 4 plus 4 divided equally, but 2 people are left. That means the median is based on the number of observations. You understand that properly. Number of observations we have to discuss here. And what is the meaning of median? Once you look at, median is the middlemost observation of a given data. This is the definition of the median. Okay, children. Now I want to write 3 notes. Here one of the thing is, we must write observations in ascending or descending order. In your prayer, in the morning session, you already observed in the prayer time in our school, you are going to stand in a from small to big. Okay, small to big we have to write. So now that is also ascending or descending order we can write. We are going to take the observation, that is raw data. You know, in the introduction class you learned about the raw data, what is the group of data, everything you learned. So that you can concentrate. So first note is, we must write the observations in ascending or descending order. Now number 2, number of observations are odd. That I explained in the that one in your prayer. If people are odd, odd means you know that how many people will get only 1. That middlemost one is 1. That is n plus 1 by 2 is the observation of the first one. So second one, third, that is when n is even. I explained now number of people are 10 even. How many people are getting? 2 people we are getting. So that is why you should be understand. So observations are n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1. 2 observations we are getting. So children, you must understand about the median means. It is the middlemost value when we are going to write in ascending or descending order. And 2 things you observe. these two questions maybe you will get it now in objective question also. If number of observations are n, how many number of, what is the median means n plus 1 by 2 at term. That term will be the median. If n is even, 2 observations are median we are getting. Okay. So like that we have to find out median's concept. Okay. Now I will give you 1 or 2 examples for you. You can observe it properly. Now I will take one example, that is 75:21. Example, write median in the given observations. This is the question. What are the observations are here? I want to write one. That is 75, 21, 56, 36, 81, 05, 42. So this is the question. Now I want to write this one in ascending order or descending order, small to big or big to small, that is your wish. I want to write in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to select from small to big. Which one is the small in this all? 5, 0, 5. Next one is what? 21. Next one is what? After 21, 36. After that what we have? 36, 42. After that 42 what we have? 36, 42, then 56. Then again we have 75. 75. Then what next? After 75 what left here? Now 81. Now first you count it, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations means that is odd observations. Odd observations means we are getting only 1. What is the middlemost in this one? Now we are going to decide that. These three are the, we have to delete it. And our answer is, that is 42. So median is, median of the given observations is equals to 42. You can write the answer. Okay. This is the simple question, children. Right. Now one more example I will give you. You can test it. See this. Now second one you can take. 4, 18, 30, 20, 15, 8, 5. These are the observations. Now once you see how many are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are also 7. Means we are getting only 1. Write in the ascending order, small to big. Which one is the small in this all? 4. The answer is 4, 5, 8, 15, okay children. Then again what left? 18 also there. 18, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. There are 7 observations. Under these 7 observations, we have to delete this side 3 and that side 3. The middlemost one is 15. Middlemost one is 15. Therefore, median is equal to 15 of the given data. So like this, we can find out whatever the thing is going to given. So children, you should be observe that the given data, first we write that in the ascending order, descending order, and you have to select the medium, that is middlemost value. If n is odd, we are getting 1 middlemost value. If n is even, we are getting 2 middlemost values. Okay. Now we are going to see some more examples and concepts by solving the problems in our next class. Okay children, you can continue.